welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today, very simple product, but by a great company and a great quality product by Syncwire. Syncwire, they make a lot of different things, but they also focus a lot on premium audio cables as well as data cables, such as USB, USB-C cables. And this is a audio cable, premium audio 6.5 foot cable. So we're just going to take a look at this. And not really anything you need to know about specifications, and other than that, it's a premium audio, it's high quality, but obviously it transmits audio. That's what it's meant to do, and that's what it does. So let's take a look at it. Open this guy up. There you go. Now, they do include a user guide. If you don't know how to use an audio cable, well, I just don't know what to say, but they do have a user guide. Basically, it talks about warranty and customer support, because, you know, it's an audio cable. You should know how to use that, right? And here you go. And this is cool. I love this right away, just pulling out of the box. Here's what I like about it. You've got this nice braided cord, well shielded, well protected, but a lot of times when you get a braided cord, they're very stiff. You lose the bendability and the ability to use it. But with this one, it's not like that at all. It's very pliable. It's very, so if you need to run this around things, that's not going to be an issue. So that's cool. The look is great in case this is going to be seen. If it's not going to be hidden and it's going to be seen, really nice look to it. I love it. It looks great. Also, I like this. They include this nice little rubber band to help organize. And if you're not going to use, if you don't need the full length, so you want to, you know, roll up some of this, then you can use that band on there. So that's cool. I'm going to set it to the side for now. And we have a little tag just to let you know that it was made by Syncwire. I'll get that off later. But yeah, there you go. You can see you've got nice connectors here on the end, high quality. I believe these are gold plated with the little logo. And this is 6.5 feet. So, you know, sometimes you do need an extension, long extension audio cord. I needed this because I want to connect one of my Echo devices to a speaker that is going to be placed far away from where the actual Echo is. So I needed a long cord so that I could run that cord along the length it's going to be on my gazebo outside around the pool, and where the Alexa is in a completely different spot from where the speaker is going to be. So I needed a long cord to be able to get that audio, and so that's why I got this cord. I loved the look of it, the quality, and thought, hey, that's going to be an excellent cord. So I'm very excited to use this, and very really loving the quality and the look of it. And again, this isn't the only thing they make. They do make a lot of other audio cords and power cords, and that's, yeah, this is what it is. This is what's in the box, and seems to be a great quality product by Syncwire. That's going to be it for the unboxing and for this little review video. Please click that like button. Share this video with anyone who might need a cord like this. Don't forget to favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews, or favorite this channel and subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. And if you have any questions, you can post them down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer you as quickly as I can. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.